How to join the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how you can join the AliExpress Dropshipping Center. And it is very easy and very simple. So all you have to do is to follow the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you will be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to open up AliExpress. Then you need to open an account and sign in into it. If you don't have an account already, we are going to let you see how we can register. You're going to AliExpress, then we have a login status. Click on it and here we have two choices. Either you are going to sign in or register. Now if you don't have an account, it is very easy to register. Put your email address right there and you are going to click on continue. If you don't want to proceed with the manual method, here we have a lot of options to continue with. We have Facebook, Google account, X account, and also an Apple account. Here we have the location that we need to change it. For example, go ahead and set your location exactly where you are going to dropship. For example, here the United States. So we are going to change it and we are going to proceed with a Google account. This is a easier method for me to proceed with. So we are going to use one of these accounts. Go ahead and choose one of these accounts. All of these accounts that I have created are for the sake of the video, so please provide your own information. That was a little disclaimer about the accounts, so nothing is going to be used for personal uses. Right there you are going to click on next or continue, and congratulations, you have the account right there. Now I'm going to set the shipping to, for example, United States, the language, and here we have the city, also the province or etc. Go ahead and click on save and congratulations. Now let's go ahead and select or join the DS or the Dropshipping Center. How to do that? It is very easy. When you have selected your account and you have signed in already, we're going right there into the account management. Here it will drop down a menu like that. And from there, you are going to click on My Orders. Either you see it right there, which is DS Center, or you click on My Orders. And right there, we have a left side menu. Within that left side menu, we are going to the account details. Drop down until you see right there a DS Center. Click on it, and normally you will see the DS Center welcoming you. Here you have to read these agreements, also these rules and also policies. When you finish of them, you are going to set this one, check this one. I have read and agreed to the terms of AliExpress Dropshipping Program User Agreement. And also I have read and agreed to the terms of AliExpress Business Program User Agreement. Now, after you have read everything from here, you're going to set the language, of course, and also the shipping country. Now we are going to click on finish. And here, as you can see, we have signed successfully to the AliExpress DS Center. Now, congratulations on the DS Center account. As you can see, either the title also is set to DS or Dropshipping Center. Now we have the products. So, go ahead and find product to sell. As you can see here, we have some options. We have the dashboard and some items also to it. Find products to sell, we have the product analysis. Here you can set a product or a product link from AliExpress and you will see the analysis of that product. If it is a trending product, a winning product, or a losing product. We have here some RFQ and servicing for the sourcing center. You can demand a sourcing for a certain product if you don't find it onto AliExpress. And also we have the dropshipping API. You can go ahead and become a developer if you want, but this is not our subject for today's video. So we are going to find a product to sell. Right there we have a lot of products, and as you can see we have the statistics of the number of the products that have been sold. As you can see, AliExpress DS Center will show you also the winning products. As you can see right there, recent best-selling products. You're going to click on view more and it will let you see all the winning product from the vision of AliExpress. And that vision is constructed from the number of selling and also the growth rate. As you can see, this product is it is high trending because 7 days growth rate was or is 108.45%, and this is a rocket increasement. So of course this product will be sold like crazy because it is summertime and also the heat is incredible. So all of people will go ahead and seek for these products since they are rechargeable and they has a battery on it. Now we have also this air conditioner. As you can see, this is some trendy products for summer. Go ahead and use whatever you want from these. Make sure to choose the right product. For example, if I was to dropship a product, I will go ahead with these two products. I will set them on my store. And how we can do that? Simply go ahead to the product. Now we have the product. As you can see, we are going to set a price for it. Here we have the product is very cheap and it has a lot of variation. So how we can do that? You are going to simply to dropship that product. How? You are going to set the title, for example, like that. Now we are going to choose a store or a sales channel. If you have an eBay account, go ahead and set it. If you have a Shopify account, go ahead, sign into your Shopify account like I am doing right there, and you are going to add that product. You can add it manually or you can add it automatically with some apps or extensions like AliExpress. You are going to type AliExpress like that, AliExpress Dropshipping, and as you can see we have an app called DSers. You can go ahead and import that product directly from it. So I'm going to proceed with the manual process since it is a little bit as you can see trending. All the people will set the product manually since they will not trust an app, or if you want to trust an app, I will let you see that later. Now we have the title. Paste that title. For the description we need to set something, so go ahead right there and select the images. I have made these images and converted them to the PNG format. So go ahead and use all of the images that has been set. Now we are going to wait for them to be uploaded. Right there, set the price. Since it is 0.99, here we have a lot of margin to gain, so we are going to set it for 25.99. we're going to compare it for 49.99. This is a best marketing, as you can see, plan. We have the images set. Here we have the inventory. We're going to set an inventory of a large number. Continue selling when out of stock. Yes. We are going to track the quantity right there. And for the weight, we are going to put a standard weight. The variants, you can add a lot of variants, but as you can see, it is set already for the meta fields. It has detected from the images. You can add the variants. It is up to you for the color right there and etc. When you finish everything right there, you need to set the product type, the collection, the tags, and finally are going to click on save. Here we have congratulations, and we have created our product or our dropshipping product. We're going to view it within the store, and as you can see, everything is set, and here we have it. Everything is good. Also, we have the sale tag right there. It is very amazing. Now here we have it. If you want to use an app like DSers, for example, DSers like that, go ahead and download that app. It will be showing you the platform of DSers, and then you are going to import that product from the link. For example, you are going to get that link, copy it, go to DSers after you have installed it and connected your Shopify account, of course, on it. And here we have the app. Now all you have to do is to set up the import. how to import the product, we are going to product research right there. Here we have to type the keywords if you want, or you can add or find a supplier. Go ahead and set the supplier from AliExpress. You can go ahead and import it right there. And also you can add a product photo to simplify the search, and here we have it. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content. I hope to see you soon on the next one.